Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing Sport Bug Revival Part 3 now. We're going to get it in the shop and see what's what with it.
Check out that fuel line situation.
Yes, there's a fuel line situation, but I'm unprepared, so I don't have any of the stuff that I have bought for this adventure. Let's go.
We can say we have no fuel here.
Yeah, no fuel, which is not good for starting. Bone dry there. So we've got the patented fuel filler 9000.
Go ahead, let the comments rate.
Yeah.
Fuel filter location.
Fuel filter in the engine bay, question mark, exclamation point. All right.
Is this your first start?
Yes, my first start.
Wow, that's one loose.
Yeah, Sport Bug. What's up?
We only got so much fuel there, big guy.
That's true. Okay.
Now you got to move your cop car.
I gotta move the police car. Yeah. This will start. All right, I am not driving it because it has no brakes, and I don't do that. Yeah. Oof. Needs tunage. Ah. Oh, yep. Yeah. Yep.
I don't push Super B, those are too heavy.
Oh. Oh, wow, that was loud. Maybe
Super B to life, that's all I do.
Super Beetle life. Well, guys, we're off to a good start. How are we looking?
Oh, they're not tight at least.
That's good.
But they're
a little
disgusting.
gross.
Yeah, they're
They
disgusting.
could use the old brake clean.
Put them right in the parts washer.
Yep, just pull the head right off.
No, it's tight. No.
No, actually,
Those are good. We'll go to number 2.
resident mechanic here is finding issues. How's it looking, Doc?
Well, tight. We're off to a bad start.
It's not good.
Nope.
No, no, no.
Can't wait to see 3 and 4.
I can.
It's gonna be super tight. That's probably why it's not starting. Oh yeah, fantastic.
Good. That is not okay. That's...
At least it's not metal, it's just paste.
Mm.
Can't wait to see your strainer.
Oh, I can't wait. We don't have oil. We're having a rough time getting it going. We're diagnosing. What do we got, Doc? Oh,
That could probably
the plug wire not
cause
connected?
difficult starting.
I agree. What brand are these? Oh,
Oh, Bob.
that explains it. That explains
Your
it.
favorite.
That explains everything.
Let's try this now with 4 spark plugs firing. I do good work.
Yeah. Yeah, Yeah.
All right, hang on. Hazards won't save you.
No.
Go ahead.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, you need motor mounts.
It sounds good on all four. Eric's familiar with that wobble.
Really?
He can help me. He's good at that.
Is that your motor mounts?
Yeah, I think it's the one that's the transmission. Sounds good though, actually.
So Rob just decided to pull the plug on the original fuel line
Yeah.
before being in.
I did. Well, the fuel gauge said empty. I wasn't expecting fresh fuel to come pouring out on me.
This reminds me of the Dumb and Dumber. I need another one. Once I start, I can't stop.
I can't let go of the top line because it'll hit the tan. And I'm starting to.
You're starting to what?
Starting to lose it.
This is like Survivor. How long can you hold that? I told you, you need to regrip. See, this
Yeah, but
isn't
if I-
allowed.
but if I
This
like-
isn't allowed in Survivor. Now regrip under. Oh, you lost your focus.
Oh, I'm gonna-
Oh my!
Yeah, see,
What are you doing?
What is the plan here?
What?
Do you see the
I
problem?
told you to regrip. Hold
Yeah,
it
but
under
I-
here.
I can't hold it there.
Why? Put your palm in the center.
Yeah, that's where it was when it fell.
Don't you drop that.
I-
You.
Why don't you clamp the line? You're holding the clamp. All right, mechanics.
So you reach in the spark plug hole and you feel this, no tip.
No tip.
So are these spark plug booties tippies or no tippies? Let's see. Oh,
Tippies.
tippies.
There's
so
your problem.
that's what's in there. Not making a whole lot of contact. We're gonna static time it on film. I get roasted all the time. Yeah, just static time it. There. Up, up, up. Oh, and look, it's a little off. I was gonna say it's always right on for me, but off. Everybody happy now. Let's get to the real problem, because that's where the timing was to begin with. So we're gonna get the cappies on the spark plugs
Yes.
before we start changing carburetors and throwing parts at this thing. Did we actually diagnose the problem?
I think we actually diagnosed the problem.
Because
That's unusual,
it is unusual.
but it happens from time to time.
It was even on film, like no fancy editing.
No fancy editing. We diagnosed something. Is that fuel in the fuel filter also?
Huh?
Is there fuel in there? It looks a little cloudy, like there's fuel in there.
No.
No, it's just.
It'll get there. We'll get this thing running and driving.
Don't worry, we're taking it for ice cream later.
Oh, yeah. You didn't even buy me any.
Yeah, I didn't buy you any ice cream.
No. What do you got?
Oh, whoa, that's a little sooty.
You got to put it behind your hand. On
Oh,
the
I'm
camera.
sorry.
There you go.
We need cappies
All right.
or pluggies.
Ooh. What's that on the wall?
How much is all that gonna cost, Jay?
Oh, it's gonna be it's gonna be an obscene amount of money.
Because I need the entire wall. Oh, we're not opening those.
No, you don't want to open those?
I don't want to open those. I mean, we could, but that just seems wrong. High speed use, we don't do that.
If this doesn't run, I want it out of here.
Oh, come on.
Are you serious right now?
Well, it's official. The little blue globe is better than Bosch.
Little blue globe.
Yeah. Empy.
Ah.
Yeah.
So we're going with the empties?
We're going with the Empys.
Throwing the Bosches away?
Bosch to the trash. Why is what?
Why are we doing this?
Because Bosch sucks
On
plug wires.
plug wires, because
Because they don't click. They have, look at this end, it's all rubber. and they hope and pray that it stays on. There's nothing in there to hold it on. These have a little metal thing that grab, and this is, you know, less rubbery, more.
Oh, more easier to push on.
Easier to push on.
So what do these retail for? About $99.99?
$99.99.
In my shop?
Yeah, in this shop. Jay's gonna demonstrate with the ampies.
Quiet on the set. Did you hear that?
I heard it.
Click.
That's the sound of spark.
Yeah, that's the sound of a running engine. Empty to the rescue. I'll give it one more try.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, we have spark. That's good. Oh, we have spark now.
We've had spark now. Hold on.
I think I can.
Might be the timing.
It's not the timing.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Go ahead. It kind of likes the air cleaner.
I agree.
You can see we now have fuel in the fuel filter. That's good. Hey, so some good things today. We've got clicking on the spark plugs.
Yep.
Static timed it
Static timed it.
and fixed apparently the fuel line issue.
Yes.
There was 2 lines
Instead of the one.
instead of the one. He had it on the leaking one. We put it on the good one.
On the good one. Mess with.
Well, it runs, so get it out of here.
I don't think it runs good enough to drive.
No?
No. I can't give it gas.
We checked the valves too.
Yeah. I'm holding steady at timing.
No, it's probably the carburetor.
What's it timed at?
Whatever it's supposed to be. 5? What is it? 5 before?
5 after. It's supposed to be.
After.
After. 5
You sure?
after top dead center.
I don't think so. I told you it was the timing.
It was the timing.
It's not the timing.
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah, but it's,
I can drive this now. Yeah.
it's still not right. That's not right.
Who would have thought it was the timing?
That ain't right.
I mean,
All right, we'll get it out of here.
all right, let's go.
Hey,
get
look, and it's getting fuel.
wow. Let's go get ice cream. Yeah.
It's running by itself. And it's getting fuel. And it's not staking everywhere. We're hitting all the points.
That never happens.
Wow.
Is that a sports bug? Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up Sport Bug Revival Part 3. We've solved some issues. The timing was fine. The plug wires suck. So we replaced it with another set of these. Empties. Works good. Starts now. New problem though, it doesn't move too well. So we'll work on that a little bit. But we solved one problem, which is good enough. It runs. We can move it.
And the fuel issue.
The fuel issue too. We solved 2 problems. We hooked up the right line and now it has, well, not anymore, but it had fuel, which
Is it out of fuel?
there's nothing in there.
Well, could you drain?
Oh, there's a little in there.
You drained it all, remember?
Yes, I drained most of it. You're right. Yeah,
That's why it wasn't.
that's why it wasn't running. It has no gas. So
It wouldn't be your car if you weren't running
if I
on
wasn't
empty.
running out of empty. Yeah. We're doing good. Sport Bug Revival Part 4. It's gonna be another Sport Bug. This one's gone. That's it. Bye.